Students, a question देखते हैं. Let us see this question here. A block slides with velocity this on a rough horizontal surface. So let us make here a rough horizontal surface first. So this is the rough horizontal surface and the block slides with 10 meter per second. So this is your 10 meter per second here and this is rough. It comes to rest after covering a distance of 50 meters. So let us see, after traveling 50 meter, here the speed becomes 0 and this distance is given here 50 meter. Alright. If g is 10 meter per second square, then the coefficient of dynamic friction between the block and surface is. So all you have to find the value of mu k. So mu k is equal to what? So let us see how much friction will act here. So I can say Fk will be n into mu k and the value of n is nothing but mg mu k. So from here I can say so this is the Fk. So acceleration will be nothing but acceleration will be in backward direction because the friction will act, since the block is moving in forward direction, so the friction will act in backward. So Fk is acting backward here and in the horizontal direction only one force is there, that is Fk. So the acceleration you will get here Fk upon m. So that is nothing but mg mu k upon m, that is equal to g of mu k. So acceleration I got here. Okay, all I need to make one equation in this question. So I can use the equation of motion here because acceleration is constant. So all the equations of motions can be used. So what I will do, right, I will use this equation va square minus ua square is equal to 2as. So va square, it is final velocity is 0, so this becomes 0, minus ua square, that is 10, so that becomes 10a square is equal to 2a. Acceleration is in backward direction, so that will be negative, so minus g mu k. So I can say the value of g is nothing but 10, it is given in the question, so 10 into mu k, right. So acceleration is minus 10 mu k, because in this I have to write everything in vector form. So acceleration in the backward direction, so that will be negative. The s is the displacement. Displacement is in rightward direction. So rightward direction I have taken positive and backward direction I have taken negative. So the displacement will be positive here, so that will be 50. So I can say the left hand side is becoming minus 100 and that is equal to minus 1000 mu k. Okay, so this will get cancelled out from here and I can say from here the mu k is equal to 1 upon 10, that is 0.1. So mu k is 0.1. See which option is coming? Option 1. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.